Traders, hope you are well. Today is Thursday, the 31st of August. Lots of there. And as always, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. We're going to look at the dollar because we've had lots of dollar data as well. So we'll take a look at that. But let's start with yesterday. And our first trade idea from yesterday was euro pound, and we were looking to buy it. Why were we looking to buy it? Actually, let me show you this first. We were looking to buy it because firstly, we're in this higher time frame range. This is more of a weekly range that we find ourselves in. Okay, so the idea was to potentially take it back to the top of the range. If we now look more closely on the day chart, you can see, guys, that, price did come back down to this level. There's these levels here that it broke through. And there was also this resistance level that this candle broke through as well. So because of all this bullish momentum that kept breaking levels, we were just trying to take price back to the top of the range. All right. We have had quite a bearish candle yesterday, but looking at the H4, let's look at the H4. I still think we can take price higher. Just looking at H4 structure, guys, really. If we follow H4 structure, we're clearly in an uptrend, and we've had this nice bullish candle. All right, but we shall see. And I got in this trade. So as you can see, price, we had this smaller grey zone and this larger grey zone mapped out, but price could basically react anywhere in there, and it did. We got this bullish candle here. This was bullish enough for me. Entered here, put our stop below here at 84. I had my stop literally here, and as you can see, guys, price, we wanted price to push up, but it came back down, and none of these actually took out my stop, guys. None of these took out. I say stop, I use a hedge, but overnight, this candle obviously took out my hedge. So what I've done, because of that H4 candle, and we still like this trade idea, I have closed this hedge, for pretty much break even, and I've moved my sell hedge down here. So I'm still looking to, take this trade higher. And this is where we find ourselves currently. If you use a normal stop, you would have been stopped out. Okay, so euro pound, that's the situation I'm in right now. And then the next trade idea was this, guys. It was pound New Zealand dollar. Okay, so this was also a tricky trade. So if we look at this, guys, we were seeing this on the day chart. We were seeing potentially a breakdown in structure. So we were seeing lower lows, lower highs. And this level is still holding as we speak, and we had this bearish candle. Okay, so the idea was to just take price a bit lower, but look at yesterday's candle, guys. We go from this candle to that candle. That's when you're going to have a difficult day. That price action is pretty much impossible to read. If I went back in time, guys, and I said to you, what would you do with that daily candle? Everyone would be sell it. And then we come back to the present time and we get that candle. You can't legislate for things like that, guys. It's just the market's not behaving as it should. Okay, if we drop down to the H4 now, because this is it become pretty much a H4 trade. So as you can see, we got this nice bearish candle that formed at our grey zone. So there was lots of things to like about this. So I got because this would have been my first target, I waited. I got a slight retrace, guys. I got a slight retrace, and I entered here, started selling here, put my stop above here, or my stop loss. All right. And again, look at that. Yeah, we get, and yeah, I'm in a hedge with this one as well. We get this candle. Again, if we just looked at that candle, everyone would be saying, right, we're in a downtrend, let's take price lower. Okay. And then the market just went bang, bang. All right. So yeah, tricky day, guys. I'm in a couple of hedge trades. I've just got out of one of them. But importantly here, guys, this level hasn't broke. So it'd be interesting to see what it does at this level. If we get a bearish reaction here, we can start, I think, looking for shorts again. But if it breaks this level, then there's room to the upside. This is quite a pivotal level right now for pound New Zealand dollar. So guys, yeah, those were the two trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you also receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button, merci beaucoup, gracias, shukran. Right, guys, trades for Thursday, 31st of August. Got to stop saying that. Let me tell you a few things that the channel does before we get started. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. If you haven't joined it already, come join it. It's free. Yeah, we've got traders sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got indicators, psychology, many other things. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions throughout the day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. You also get two other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week. And you get access to a fully qualified performance coach should you need it for your own trading performance. If you're interested in that, guys, the link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the information for the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And next, guys, we also, if you watch the vids every day, you join us for the live stream, you would like to show your support, then please do, guys. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member for as little as, under $2 a month. And you get loads of cool perks as well, guys. So check that out. All the information's in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Come join us for that, guys. And we will answer your questions. I say we, that's me. Right, trades for Thursday, the 31st of August. The first one is this, guys, is the pound against the Swiss franc. And as you can see, guys, we was in a downtrend and now price has been pretty much ranging between these two levels. Okay. So, the idea is to come back to the top of this range. If I zoom in a little bit now, you can also see we were flirting with this idea from this candle here. We were looking for longs. Yeah. But look at buyers now. Buyers have well and truly taken control of this market. Okay, so like I say, let's try and get this to the top of that range. If we drop down to the H4 now, you can also see we've had a H4 structure break. This last H4 high, yeah, has broken. So we even have a H4 structure break as well. There is a level of, a bit of resistance through here, but because we've had this H4 structure break, I'm, confident we can take price higher. If we drop, so actually we'll look at this level to start with, guys. So we can trade this first of all like this, yeah? So we know this is an area of potential resistance, okay? So we want to see a break of this level, retest, and then we can start buying up to this level. So that's the first trade idea, yeah, if this happens. If we drop down to the H1 now, we can be a little bit more aggressive with this trade. So, obviously H4 and H1 are in uptrends. So if price retraces back to these lows, yeah, these last swing lows on the H1, and in here we get a bullish reaction, then again, we can start buying this pair. This is a little bit more aggressive because we haven't broken this resistance, but because of that H4 structure break, I think this could be a good trade as well. So yeah, a couple of ways we can trade pound Swiss franc, but we are looking to buy this pair. The next trade idea is this, is euro against the Aussie dollar. If we go to the day chart, yeah, as you can see, so this might end up being a little bit news driven. So at 10 o'clock London GMT today, we've got the euro CPI. So obviously this is a big figure for the euro, but this is maybe what the euro needs. Yeah. So if we look at the day chart, yeah, we're in an uptrend, and then price has come to this level and it's just been ranging. We'll see this more clearly on the H4. And this is where we find ourselves. But if we get some better than expected CPI data, we're just looking for a break of this level. Yeah, and we can take price higher. Okay. If we look at the H4 now, yeah, you can clearly see that range. Yeah, it's just ranging. All right. So like I say, it might be news driven, probably will be news driven, better than expected CPI, pushes up, we get a retrace into here, you know, a bullish reaction, and then we can start taking price higher, guys. So yeah, euro Aussie dollar, if it's worse than expected and price comes, you know, crashing down here, less interested. Yeah, I want a break of this level. Okay, although, you know, this is the bottom of the range. If we get a bullish reaction here, again, we could take it to the top of the range. Okay, so yeah, they're the two trade ideas. There is one more I was looking at, but it hasn't quite made my criteria yet, and it's euro against the Aussie dollar. So, I mean, if we looked at the day chart, you'd be like, Tom, what is wrong with you? Let's trade this. Yeah, because I mean, like, if you just look at the euro at this point, it did break down. Yeah, we were getting lower lows. All right. But since then, we've had a real push higher, and we've actually broken these highs. So we're getting higher highs. So this is in an uptrend for me. You know, we're above the moving average 20, and there's a bit of value here, you know, but yeah, so, you know, potentially, you know, in here, we can have a nice trade back up to the next psychological level of 160. However, there's just the one thing bugging me, and it's the weekly chart. If I zoom into these candles, guys, look, this level here is just holding. Yeah, we've had a bearish reaction, then we had a big wick reaction at that level. Okay. So this is a weekly candle. We've still got, you know, today and tomorrow, but, you know, this could also have a wick and close. You know, perhaps we get a candle like this. Yeah, it could also have a wick and close back into these last highs. If that happens, I'm really not interested in buying this pair, and that is what I'm wary of. Okay, but if you look at the day chart, you know, it's a nice trade. And if we do look at the day chart, let's look at potential entries. So we've got a couple of levels, basically, guys. Yeah, we've got, yeah, if we look at the H4, we've got this level that we know was very good resistance. Yeah, you know, and we know we like this pattern. What was once resistance, when it breaks, becomes very good support. Okay, so we could start buying it from here if we get a bullish reaction, or price might want to come back down and test these H4 highs here. So price comes down a little bit lower. Maybe the moving average 20 catches up. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction. And again, we can take this higher as well. So yeah, euro yen. That's what I'm thinking with euro yen. So guys, yeah, those are the trade ideas. Again, if you enjoy my trade ideas every day, if I could ask you to please subscribe to the channel right now and also smash the like button, guys. Takes 1 second, smash the like button. It's much appreciated. And also don't forget all the cool things we do, guys. Yeah, we got the free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel, mentorship program. We've got the YouTube membership, and we've got the live stream later. Right, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 31st of August. So overnight, guys, we did have some, big data coming out of China, which was better than expected. So this could potentially give some strength to the Aussie dollar as they have tight trading relations. But the first big piece of news we're interested in, I mentioned it in the previous analysis, is this. At 10 o'clock, London GMT, yeah, we've got CPI coming out of the euro. Okay, so this is really going to, make the euro volatile. So must be aware of this coming out, guys. Having said that, I also think these German unemployment figures, 2 German unemployment figures at the same time, I think we could see some movement in the euro here, but the market's waiting for this 10 o'clock CPI data. Yeah, and at the same time, we've got the unemployment rate. Okay, so yeah, big data coming out for the euro at 10 a.m. London GMT. And then after that, guys, we've still got more news for the US dollar. We've got 3 3-star ratings, lots of today. Yeah, so at 1:30 London GMT, we got the core PCE price index month on month, year on year, and we got the initial jobless claims. Okay, so we're going to be, we'll look at this reaction in our live stream today, guys. So come join us for that, for this dollar reaction. But again, how would this affect the dollar? The dollar's teetering on the edge of, is it potentially a weak dollar, or will the strength of the dollar come back? Yeah, it's a real pivotal week for the dollar this week. And that's it, guys. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Come join me for the live stream later on, and have a great trading day.